Hey guys, doing a review on the OXO Good Grips Apple Slicer Core and Divider. I absolutely love this product. If you like to eat apples and you don't want to take out a knife or don't trust yourself with a knife like me, this thing is you have to have. It's just one of those kitchen gadgets you just don't even think of. But yeah, I have this I have an apple every day, and I use this every day. Throw it in the dishwasher when you're done, hand wash it, you're good to go. So if you're looking for something to, make eating an apple a little bit easier as far as slicing goes, definitely give this one a try. I love it.